A very good day to Sir Supian. My name is Solly and my ID number is SW0107498. So in this video, I will present my final project for Advanced Web Application Development. Before I start demonstrating the website, let me go through use case diagram and ERD first. So this is my use case diagram. For FYP coordinator, you can view project, manage project, which include create project, update project, and also delete project. FYP coordinator can also manage user, which include create user, update user, and also delete user. FYP coordinator can also manage role, which include create role, update role, and also delete role. And for lecturer, students and public, they only can view project, and for supervisor, he can view project as well as update project. Next, this is the ERD. In projects table, the first few columns can be managed by FYP coordinator, and the following columns can be updated by the supervisor that has been assigned by the FYP coordinator. Then there are users, roles, and permissions table. I use user has roles to link user and roles table, and role has permission to link roles and permissions table. These tables are used to manage users, roles, and permission. Therefore, it is not linked with the projects table. Next, this is the main page when user type the URL in the browser. We have home section, we have about section, and we have also contact us section. Without any further ado, let us log in. So for this project, I've seeded a few data, and these are the data that is being seeded, like Fanny, Dr. Chong, Dr. Lim. Let us log in as a FYP coordinator first. So Fanny is a FYP coordinator, and FYP coordinator has access to all the menus. So let us go through one by one. For manage role, these are the data that I've seeded earlier. So FYP coordinator can access to all permissions, and lecturer can view project listing and also can edit the project. And for students, they can only view the project listing, and for public, they also can only view the project listing like students. So basically, this is the role management page where FYP coordinator can actually create new role or even delete any existing role that they want. I click cancel for now. And for users, we have like Fanny as FYP coordinator, Dr. Chong, Dr. Lim, and Dr. Tan as lecturer, and also Ali, Mutu, and Ahok as students. And then for manage project, let us create one project as a FYP coordinator. So for project type, we can choose between development project or research project. Then project name, let us randomly put one, Nora Rosales. And then for students, we can choose either one. So for this drop down, it actually shows all the user who has the role as a student. So Ali, Mutu, Ahok has role as students, so they are being shown here. And for supervisor, Examiner 1 and Examiner 2 will show the user who hold the role as a lecturer. So for this, Dr. Chow, Dr. Lim, Dr. Tan, then same as this and also same as this. So let us select the name and we click submit. So these are the only columns that can be filled by the FYP coordinator, and the rest can be updated by the supervisor that has been assigned by the FYP coordinator. Before I log out and log in as a supervisor, let me create another project first to show as a comparison. So Uriah Browning, then Mutu, then supervisor, we choose another one. Just now we have Dr. Chong, if I'm not mistaken. Then now we choose another one, and if let's say we choose the same as supervisor, we click submit, and it will show the supervisor and examiner 2 must be different, because supervisor, examiner 1 and examiner 2 I have set to be different, so they cannot be the same person holding these three position. So I need to change Dr. Lin to maybe Dr. Chong. Then I click submit and okay. So we have Dr. Chong as supervisor for Nora Rosales and Dr. Lim as Uriah Browning. So let us log out and we log in as the supervisor. Just now we have Dr. Chong, right? chong@gmail.com. So after login as supervisor, so Chong can only edit the project that is under her supervision. And for this is under Dr. Lim, right? So Dr. Chong cannot edit Dr. Lim's project. The above 6 columns are set to read only, so supervisor cannot edit. Let us put a name, put a date, then duration. If let's say I click this, it cannot because only set to numerate. So I can put 1. For project progress, supervisor can choose between milestone 1, milestone 2, or final report. And for project status, supervisor can choose between on track, delay, extended, or completed. So let us click submit, see what will happen. So the end date must be a date after or equal to start date. So the end date must be a day after 22nd December 2022. So let us choose 23rd and submit. So this will be updated right here. So this is what supervisor can access. They can edit the project start date, project end date, project duration, project progress, as well as project status. From this table, we know that Dr. Tan does not supervise any project. So if let's say we log in as Dr. Tan, right, he as a lecturer can only view, cannot edit for any of the project. So let us try to log in as Dr. Tan. Okay. After login as Dr. Tan, Dr. Tan cannot edit or cannot delete. So in this action column, there's no icon here. Then we will log out and we try to log in as a student. So student, we have Ali Mutu, right? So we try to log in as Ali and see what the students can do. After login as Ali student here, right? So Ali as a student can only view the project listing. And we log out again and we try to register as a public. So as a public, we land on this website and we just want to see what we will get after registering. So we try to click register, we fill in the name, dn@gmail.com, password 1234567 So register, and as a public, they also can view the project only. They cannot do any action. By now, I have demonstrated the access level for all the actors, including FYP coordinator, supervisor, lecturer, students, as well as public. So now I will log out and I would like to demonstrate the delete function in my project. Now I log in again as the FYP coordinator. I click delete on the second project, Uriah Browning. It will prompt a message asking for confirmation and I click OK and the project will be deleted. So it will also show a message saying that project deleted successfully. Now I will demonstrate the pagination in my project as well. So I click on create new project and I use the fake filler to fill in all my fields. So this is the pagination where one page maximum can fit 5 rows, and click this to the next page. And next, I've utilized GitHub for version control. I have two branches, one is develop and one is master. Whenever I do code editing, I will only push to develop branch. And after that, I will merge the develop branch into master branch. Besides that, my project has also utilized the following templates and package, so credits to them. And to run these projects, you can just follow the steps that are written here. And to log in, these are the credentials. And these are the git log for my develop branch. These are the commit message. And these are the git log for my master branch. And these are the commit message. So that's all from me. Thank you for taking your time and have a nice day. Thank you.